Hi beauties, Amy here. So another quick video about eyeshadows, and I'm going to teach you one of my favourite little tricks for everyday makeup. You know, in the morning when you're going to work, when you don't have a good half an hour to do eye makeup. So I'm going to be using the Benecos eyeshadows palette, Coffee and Cream. This is one of my favourite palettes because the colours are so pretty. So we've got like a vanilla colour and then lighter browns and then dark brown, and these really are colours that suit everyone. So my secret to getting really nice eyeshadow really quickly is taking the tapered blender brush from the Designer Tools range. And then I normally take the lighter colour first, and then I might use the darker colour afterwards, and you just put it literally in the crease of your eye. And what I do is I start on the outside and I literally open my eye and I just run that brush in that crease. And sometimes I close my eye and blend it out a bit more as well. And then suddenly I've got really cool, looks like it's taken me ages, eyeshadow. And then I might build it up with a little bit more darker colour, but then I just keep blending it in that crease and going up and then blending it down. And then if you want to add a little bit more onto that, you can grab the light colour, just pop that over your lid, and the lighter colour and blend it out over the top of your brow bone. And then you have really beautiful eyeshadow that makes your eye look bigger because it's putting that dark colour in that crease. Super simple, super quick. So that's just using the Benecos Coffee and Cream and the taper blender brush. That's all you need. Hope that helps. Bye!